Hello guys, good morning. I'm making chicken calderita. Chicken calderita, lagyan natin ng maraming carrots, patatas, bell pepper. Saka nilagyan ko siya ng laurel guys. Saka yung nilalagay ko is klaseng manok is pigso at saka yung ano niya, parting legs. Yummy calderita chicken. May iba naman tayo guys. Parang ano. Okay. Thank you for watching.